You know those calls when you're out and about running around and your phone rings from a local number. So it might be somebody you know. Come to find out, it's just a pre-recorded message telling you you've won a cruise that you did not even enter to win. That's what's known as a robocall. I get them, you get them, we all get them. In fact, many reports say that billions of spam calls are placed every single month. Luckily, blocking an unknown number on your phone is very simple, and we're going to show you 3 quick steps on how to do so. First, open the phone app and click Recents. Then find the contact or person you'd like to block and click the eye icon next to it. Then scroll to the bottom of that contact and hit Block Caller. And that's it. You will no longer receive phone calls from this number. While a robocall that is promising you a free cruise does sound amazing, this is just an attempt for them to obtain your personal information. Ask questions to make sure it's legit. If not, and if you have any doubts, just hang up.